Today's podcast number 32 brought to you by Greg Perkins. So with this, we've got 4 functions. So we're going to be using the chain rule a lot. Now the very outermost function is the square function. So another way to look at this function is sine is being squared. Now inside that square is the sine function. Then inside the sine function is the cosine function. And then inside the cosine function is the e function. So the chain rule is called the chain because it's like the links of a chain that are linked together, one after another after another. And we're going to have, looks like 4 links on our chain. First of all, take the derivative of the outside. So the 2 goes down in front and multiplies. And then subtract 1 from the exponent. So that leaves inside the parentheses sine of cosine of e to the t. Now we're moving on to the next link. So for the next link, take the derivative of the inside, and the derivative of sine is cosine. And then the cosine of et stays in the parentheses. Now we move on to the next link of the chain. Now take the derivative of cosine, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine et. And then finally take the derivative of the e function, which is the e function. And with this, there's nothing that we can factor out. About the only thing you could do is take this negative and put it in the front. But that is the derivative.